Cloud storage best practices. Your business data lives in the cloud now. Files sync across devices, teams collaborate from anywhere, and you're no longer paying for expensive servers. It feels safer than keeping everything on a single computer in your office. However, many business owners don't realize that cloud storage and security differ. Your provider keeps the servers running, but you're still responsible for who can access your files, how they're protected, and whether they'll be there when you need them. Here are practical steps to build the security and reliability you need. 1. Assess your current cloud risk posture. Before you can build resilience, you need to assess your existing risks. How is your data structured? Who has access? Do you know what's backed up and what's not? Take time to audit your storage setup. Review how permissions are granted and whether former employees or vendors still have access. Examine your backup cadence. Are you saving versions regularly, and is that data stored redundantly across regions? Those are red flags if you don't have answers or documentation in place. Also, evaluate how your organization handles data access across devices and networks. Are you allowing file syncing on personal laptops? Are mobile devices encrypted? If your systems are highly flexible but lack central controls, you face more risk than resilience. 2. Implement a layered security strategy. You can't rely on one solution to guard your data. Cloud resilience requires multiple layers: access controls, encryption, monitoring, and response planning. Start by limiting access through role-based permissions. Every user should only see what's necessary for their job. Then, you can apply encryption at rest and in transit so your data isn't exposed even if systems are breached. Multi-factor authentication should be standard, and audit logs should be enabled and reviewed regularly. Monitoring tools will detect unauthorized access attempts early. Don't overlook endpoint security. If your staff accesses cloud data from laptops or phones, those endpoints need protection, too. 3. Embrace redundancy without duplication. Resilience doesn't mean saving every file twice in the same folder. It means building a structure where critical data exists in multiple secure locations and is recoverable quickly. Use automated backup schedules that send data to geographically distributed regions. This ensures your data stays safe even if a regional cloud server fails. But structure those backups with clarity. Use date-stamped archives, apply naming conventions, and periodically test your recovery process. Don't assume your cloud provider handles this for you. While many offer redundancy and backups, it's often up to you to configure and verify it. You're vulnerable to accidental deletion or corruption unless you actively set recovery points and retention policies. 4. Optimize for business continuity. You need a plan when disaster strikes, whether it's ransomware, system failure, or human error. Cloud resilience depends on your storage system's clear business continuity strategy. Outline which data is mission critical and how quickly it must be restored. Identify your most important files, such as client records, financial documents, and current projects, so you can prioritize them during recovery. Set up your data so essential files can be restored first while lower priority items can wait. Test your recovery process occasionally to see how long it takes and whether your backup systems work as expected. When you treat your backup and recovery plan like an operational tool rather than a compliance checklist, you build a firm foundation for continuity and trust. 5. Align with compliance and legal requirements. Some businesses have strict rules about how they store and protect data. If you work in healthcare or finance or handle personal information, you should follow regulations like HIPAA or GDPR. Breaking these rules can mean severe fines. Check if your cloud provider meets the legal standards for your industry. They should be able to show you documentation proving they follow the rules. You'll also need clear policies about how long you keep files and when you delete them. Please keep track of who accesses your files and when they do it. If regulators ask questions, you must prove you've handled data correctly. Good record keeping protects your business and shows you take compliance seriously. 6. Train your team, they're the front line. Your security is only as strong as your weakest link, and that's usually human error. Even the best cloud setup won't protect you if someone on your team accidentally shares sensitive files or falls for a phishing email. Set clear rules about sharing files, creating passwords, and using devices for work. Show your team what phishing emails look like and how to spot suspicious activity. When you update systems or change how things work, ensure everyone knows about it. Encourage a culture of accountability, where everyone understands their role in keeping data secure. When your staff feels confident using your cloud system safely, you're far less likely to encounter unintentional breaches. 7. Regularly audit and improve. Cloud resilience isn't one and done. Threats evolve, and your business changes and storage tools get updated. Schedule regular audits to verify that your backups are running, your access controls are current, and your policies are still relevant. Use those audits to find inefficiencies. Maybe files are duplicated across drives, or sensitive data is too broadly shared. By tightening your processes incrementally, you reduce friction and reinforce resilience at every level. Bonus: invest in electronic document storage beyond the cloud. Cloud storage is convenient, but storing all your business documents in one place is risky. What happens when your internet connection goes down during a client presentation? Or when your cloud provider has an outage right before tax season? Smart business owners keep electronic document storage options that don't depend on an internet connection. Think of it as insurance for your data. Your cloud provider handles most of your storage needs, but having offline access to essential documents means you can keep working no matter what happens online. Choose the right storage strategy for your business. All the best practices in the world won't matter if you're using the wrong approach. Whether you go all in on cloud storage, keep everything local, or use a mix of both, make sure your choice fits your business needs and budget. Look for solutions that offer reliable uptime, strong security features, and support when needed. Your storage strategy should let you customize security settings and work with the tools you already use. The goal isn't just avoiding disaster. It's building a system you can trust so you can focus on running your business instead of worrying about your data.